students, they had given the email addresses and phone number. 22 phone numbers I got here. So likewise you can see analyze all the how many students are answering the correct question, everything. And individual also you can see here, individual also you can see individual papers. Good morning, how are you all? So today's video will see how to create the question paper in Google form. How to create the question paper in Google form. So first of all we'll go for the browser and I'm just search Google form. So here I got the forms, Google forms. So already I have the Gmail ID, that's why I'm getting all this. So if you are not registered to the Gmail, then you have to register it. Then here after that we are getting the so many forms here. One is blank, assessment, contact information, RSVP, party invite, t-shirt sign up. So our requirement is assessment, so we have to go to the assessment. In this assessment only we can make the Google forms. So next here I will show you, already I had created one Google form, one assessment. So I will show you this one, and how to create you can easily check it. So I'm clicking this one. So this is the JK Academy of Virtual Schooling. We offer coaching for SSC, Intermediate and IIT Foundation through Virtual Schooling. Please do contact. So you can find all kind of videos here in YouTube channel. So our today's topic is how to create question paper in Google form. So already I had created, I am showing you this one. So this banner, look at the top, you can make it and you can fix or you can arrange it your school name or whatever it may be. So here you have to write down the heading, what is the question paper. So this is the virtual sleep testing unit 3 and 4 of SSC. So I'm writing all the details here. JK Academy of Virtual Schooling of a free online self-assessment test on all subjects. So this is the virtual sleep test in unit 3, acid, bases and salts, and unit 4, refraction of light on curved surfaces. So here in this question paper I'm asking 30 multiple choice question and answer. So 30 marks and the duration is 40 minutes. The duration is 40 minutes. So what I do exactly on at the time of exam only, I will share the link first to the students, and on 10:30 or whatever the time you have assigned to the student, on that time only you have to enable this link. Then after completion of 40 minutes you have to disable this link. Why? Because students will get only 40 minutes to answer all these 30 questions. So in 1 minute or 1 minute 20 seconds they have to answer for one question. So if you don't set the time limit, what the student they do, they prolong it till 1 hour or 2 hours. Then there may be chances of copying. So to avoid all these kind of things, so you have to set the time limit. Time limit is very important, right? So the first of all I am collecting the name of the students. So this is marked in star means this question they have to compulsory, the students have to answer. Like I am asking the name of the student, what is the name of the student, then email address, it will be optional. If they want to give the email they can give, or it's optional, it's up to the students. So WhatsApp number I'm asking, and it will be compulsory. Why? Because it is in star. Registration number, if you their roll number, the registration number, whatever it may be, or hall ticket number, they can write the students here. Yes. So again this is the optional. If you want to collect it, it's okay. If you don't want to collect it, it's up to you. So this is again option. If you click the required button here, then it will be compulsory to answer. The students cannot skip this one. This is the required button. So I don't want to, but for this question, all the question there should be one answer. The student I have to attempt, they cannot skip any question. So I am making all the question as a compulsory question. Compulsory, the student have to attend it. Either it may be right or wrong, it's up to them, but compulsory they have to attend. So I'm asking the first question here, what is the change you observe in litmus paper with acid? What is the change you observe in litmus paper with acid? So this is the question paper, and what kind of question it is? This is the multiple choice MCQ. So here we have a lot of options here: short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, file upload. So this one we don't need all this, we need the multiple choice question only. Okay, so I'm giving, for this question I am giving the 4 options here, and one of the option is correct. So I know the correct answer. So how to assign the correct answer? See, look at here, the answer key here, answer key. I have to click the answer key, then I have to select any one of the correct answer. So blue litmus turns red and red litmus remains unchanged. So how many marks I am giving to this? I am giving 1 mark or 2 mark, it's up to you, or whatever it may be, right? 1 mark. This is the 1 mark question, and here add answer feedback. So we can give the justification or clarification of the answer, which will be helpful to the students. Right? I'm giving the done. Then this required button is very important. So if you click this required button, then it will be compulsory to students to answer it. They cannot skip this question. So likewise, hope you understood the first question. Likewise, I have arranged 30 questions here. So I'll give you the one more, the 16th question, right? The midpoint of lens is called as. This is the 16th question. The right answer is, correct answer is optic center. Optic center. Okay. So likewise, we have to arrange all this, and I have arranged the answer key as well. Answer key is very important. So you have to, the creator has to, the teacher has to assign the answer key first. Answer the correct answer. You make it done. So all these questions, 30 questions I had done here. Then okay, this my question paper is ready now. So I will preview it, how it looks like to the students. So this is the preview button. So this is the question paper right now here. So like this it will, so if someone is skipping this question, it will show this kind of messages. This is a required question. So without answering this question, the student cannot submit it. So they have to answer all the questions. So after answering, they will get the result. So hope you understood this topic. Please do like our YouTube channel JK Academy and our Facebook page JK Academy. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Good morning. So after submission of question paper, how it will looks like. If the student submitted the question paper, so it will show you the how many marks the student got. 11 by 30. 11 by 30. So this is the example I had taken here. So we'll get all the information who attempted this question, the student detail, and the answers. What is the correct answer for this? So what is the change you observe in litmus paper with acid? So the correct answer is blue litmus turns red and red litmus remains unchanged. So the student also attempted this one. So this is the correct answer. So what about the second answer, second question? So what are olfactory indicators? So is what the student has selected. He selected the third option, substances whose odor changes only in acidic media. But the correct answer was substances whose odor changes in acidic or basic media. Acidic or basic media means the fourth option was the correct option, but the student had selected the third option. So it is the wrong. So it will show likewise all the correct and wrong answers. Correct and wrong answers. So it will show. It will correct it. The Google form itself, the assessment form itself, correct all this. So it will give you the tick mark like this. Correct, wrong, correct answer, wrong answer, wrong, like this. Correct. So likewise, the paper will be get corrected in paperless form. So the score, total points score will also be shown on the screen. So what the teachers has to do, is they have to give the send a link, this link to the students. So you can shorten this link as well. So this is the link of my question paper now. So if you share this link to the students in WhatsApp groups or through SMS, whatever the mean, so students can easily attempt the question paper. We can copy this link and we can share this link to the students. And students, they had given the email addresses and phone number, 22 phone numbers I got here. So likewise, you can see analyze all the how many students are answering the correct question, everything. And individual also you can see here. Individual papers. So I will show you. So this is one individual. So out of this is my student M. Sai Kumar. Out of 30 he got 21 marks. Right. And what are the right and correct answers he had given? So it will all be here in my computer. Okay. And we can download this in Excel and PDF form as well. So these are the formats. We can download all this in PDF and in Excel. So this option is very important. I want to show you this option is very important. So if I disable this link, not accepting responses, so though the link will be with the students, but they are unable to open it. If I accepting responses, the link will be with the student. They can attempt it as well. So this is a very important option here. Accepting responses. So if I disable this link, disable this option, the student can have this question paper link with them, but they cannot open the question paper. When I enable this link, the students can see the question paper and they can answer it. So we can share the link earlier to the student, and at the time only, at the required time, like 10:30 in the morning, I want to conduct the exam. So on 10:30 or 10:28, we can enable or disable this link with this button. So it's very good button here. It will be very useful for the teachers. So I am opening, accepting and not accepting responses. So earlier we can share the link to the student, and we at the time, at the required time only, we can enable this link. So I want to show you this one. Hope this video will be very helpful to you. So thank you very much. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, JK Academy. Thank you very much. Have a good day, all of you.